this minion up in my tree now since the beginning of COVID. He was my answer to the teddy bear hunt that went around the world globally. I thought this Halloween that I would try and spookify him, and I decided to do that by making him some fangs. So what I did was I found some white cloth and I measured his mouth from one edge to the other, which measured 26 centimetres, and the depth from the top to the bottom was 7 centimetres. Within that framework, I drew a mouth and added the teeth. And then I cut out around my lines, revealing the shape that I wanted. So you can see the marks there, but that's okay. I've just flipped it over, and that's the side that's going to face outwards. So I've got some white thread and a needle, and I simply sewed that to the front of his face. I decided that the mouth needed a little bit more definition, so I found a red marker and drew the lips, but made sure I didn't draw across the teeth. I will probably add a little bit more marker to define the lips further. Now I know this doesn't look like anything from a Hollywood set, but true to form, I did say that I make things from around the house, and that piece of fabric was found in a rag bag. It was a piece of discarded bath mat. Anyway, I hope it's given you some ideas as to what you can make from a rag bag, and I'm sure you could probably do a better job with the mouth, but it's all about ideas. Anyway, I'd like to wish you a really happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.